So we're going to move on to number 2. But before we do that, Cindy, I want to remind anybody that might be joining us that missed tip number 1, and now we're on tip number 2, that we are Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Cindy's a physical therapist. I'm a speech therapist. We make videos and content to show people how to stay safe at home, and also for caregivers how to provide safe care.
That's right.
And we are going through the 5 tips to prepare yourself for knee replacement surgery. And we're on tip number 2, which is strengthen your pre-surgery health, or what we call
Prehab.
Prehab.
Yes.
Right? So everybody here's rehab.
Right.
But we're talking
prehab.
Prehab.
That's
so
right.
what does that mean, Cindy? Tell us.
We want to. I always encourage people to talk to their doctor and see if you can at least get a prescription to go to a physical therapist for an evaluation, even if it's just for one visit, to get home exercises to do prior to your surgery.
Yeah.
Because the better motion you have in your knee and the stronger your leg is, the better you will come out.
Right.
Now, you have to do it within reason, depending on your pain level, and the therapist can talk to you all about that.
Right.
But it's good to be as strong as you can going into that.
Yeah.
Now, the doctor, of course, usually the surgeon is going to say, if you're a smoker, they're going to want you to stop smoking because smoking is going to inhibit your healing, because of oxygen. You need good oxygen to heal.
It really is. That makes a huge difference.
Oh, it does.
I don't think people realize, that the smoking, what the actual smoking, the chemicals from smoking does for skin integrity.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
It doesn't allow their skin to heal as well as if they weren't smoking.
Right.
Or weren't a smoker. Yeah. Losing weight. That's a big thing.
Yeah.
We
Some
hear that
doctors,
quite a bit.
Yep. Depending on that, they may want you to do that too. So all that combination of things, just preparing for that surgery, is going to really benefit you as far as the outcome.